Out here getting that run in this morning, everybody. That's how you do it. Of course, I got my mask on, and it's not for anything other than to control your breathing, increase lung capacity. So I'm only gonna do about 2 miles. Turn around and go back. We'll be doing this a lot quicker, but the person that's running with me is a little slower than I am. But you gotta get out and make it happen. When you got time, take care of yourself. Your body gonna do what it do, but you gotta help it along, all right? Trying to enjoy this nice run. But other than that, gotta stop every now and then. Like I said again, the person that's running with me is a little slower. In fact, a lot slower, so I gotta keep my eye out. But this has been L.A. Kendrick with that fitness run, keeping everything intact. So you guys have a great rest of the morning.